So over here, I am in the Notion homepage, and now when you're on the homepage, you can see different widgets right here. For example, there's the recently viewed widget, there's the learn widget, there's the upcoming events widget right here. If you want to go ahead and hide some of it, then simply click on the three dot button and say hide from home. And that is how you can simply go ahead and hide the widgets right here. You can go ahead right here just like this, and then not for all. So for recently visited, there is no three dot button, but for learn, you can hide from home, as you can see right here. But what if you want to get the widgets back? In that case, you can click on the three dot button right here, and then over here you can see that I can go ahead and show and hide the widgets. So you can see upcoming event widget, my task widget, learn widget right here. So you can enable all of them from here, or you can click on it one by one to disable it from here as well. So you only have the recently visited widget right here. So depending on what you actually need right here, the database view or learn right here, you can go ahead and then enable it out according to how you want right here. So that is how you can go ahead and show and hide the widgets inside of homepage in Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.